files because I'm trying to move into my own files on my system. I didn't know where you clicked.
Do you have a project?
Yes, I have projects on my this thing now.
Okay. So what do you want me to do now?
I'm in the home page now of the GitHub account. Where did you
Okay.
click to go into your files in your system?
No, 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 no. I've not done anything. I'm still there. Look at it. It's still there.
Okay, 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 okay,
Just follow me. I'm still
okay,
there.
okay.
So let's move on. Where am I? Okay, file. The files. So this is a new folder. Once if I'm starting a project with you, the first thing you need to do is to create a folder. Hmm? Please, all this information I'm giving you is something you should know, so that when we are doing, don't tell me that you're not carrying me along. I'm not with you. You should take note of this one because you'll be doing the uploading yourself. You'll be uploading your project yourself. Once you finish doing it, you upload it by yourself. So just take note of that. So I'm going to rename this folder. Let me rename this folder. Data science underscore salaries. So I'll move the ones I need to move because the files are too much here. So I'll move this. So copy this, then okay, there's it here. So this is my project. This is my project. This is the about data set. This is the database, which is data science in Excel file. Why this is the solution in Python file. Is that clear? So I will go back to my GitHub account. I'll create a repository. So this repository I'm going to create will be same name with the project name. So the project name is data science salary 2024. So this is the repository name.
Can we still name our own like that, sir?
Yes, you can do it like that. You can do it like that.
Hello, Mr. Dan. Yeah, sorry to cut you short. I logged into my GitHub now and I see that I've made a repository like 2 already, safe.
You can add as many. Each project you are doing, you can be adding repository as you want. You can also use one repository to push everything. But each project you are doing, you can be using different repository. You understand?
Okay.
So you can see a repository contains all project files, including the revision history. Look at it.
Okay.
So you can decide to create as many repository you want to create.
All right. Thank you, boss.
So here we have the description. You leave it on public. Anyone on the internet can see this repository. You leave it there. If you put it on private, you choose who to see or to comment to the repository. So leave it on public. Okay. So leave it on public. So next, you have the add readme file. So the add readme file is where you add the description of your project. So you can check it.
Sorry, Mr. Dan.
Yes, sir.
Files you put inside the file you come inside out. I don't have it. I don't think I get it, sir.
You say what?
The file you copy that data science salary. I don't have those.
Yeah, I've not done project with you yet. I'm just showing you. That one is what I've used for my students. So I'm just using it as example that by next time I'm going to be doing project, this is how you should be uploading, how you should be pushing your project. You understand?
Okay.
So,
I'm with you, sir. Thank you.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So I'll move on. So here, we can now add the files. Let's go up. Okay, the file is done. Create your repository. Click on create. So once you finish creating, you can add your files. You can add it. Upload.
Mr. Dan, are we following you because we might not have the file that you want to
And
upload?
just follow what I'm doing.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying? Now just follow me. By next section, we'll be doing projects together. By that time, I will not be going through this process because it's going to be a very long video. You understand? So by that time, after I finish projects, you now upload it by yourself. You will not need me to be explaining this to you. So by that time, you can go back on the video and watch and look at how I upload that project. So that's how you'll be uploading your project. You get? So yeah, it's a drag.
Please, sorry. After typing the name, we should just click on create repository.
Yes, click on create repository.
Okay, thank you.
So here, we are asked to drag the files here, add them here to your repository. So what I will do is that I will just open my desktop. This is the file here. This file I'm working, this data science salary. So I'll push it here, I'll drag it and put it. So you can see it's loading. Good.
Mr. Dan, I'm sorry, I'm just doing the listen. So, in under the initialize the repository with, should I put add a readme? Should I click on that?
Add what?
The initialize this repository with under the, you said we should put it on public.
Yes. Leave it on public. Leave it on public.
Okay, what about the other things? Should we click on it?
No. Just leave it. Leave it the way it is.
And we should just create
Just
after writing the name.
click on create. Click on create down.
Okay.
So you can see my project have already be published. You can see it here. So you say we should just commit changes. So I'll just click on it. So you can see it now under data science underscore salary 2024. I have data science salary. If I click on it, it shows me all my files. You can see all my files. So this is the Python file that I use. If I click on it, I can access it here. You can see.
Mr. Dan, I'm not seeing where the add file. I've created the.
You've created it, right?
Yes.
You will
Yes,
see
sir.
under add. If you click on under add, you see upload, add file. You see upload. So this is just it. You can see it's very easy to push projects as a data analyst, data scientist. This data is currently it's a current data set. The salary based on their job roles. You can see. I'll give us this data to work with.
Yes, sir.
Data scientist, data analyst. So anywhere you want to focus on, see where you are. This is top 10 most common job title. Top 10 most common job title. So the first is data engineer. You have data scientist. You have data analyst, which is the top 50. It's among the
Please,
top 50.
sorry, Mr. Dan. Are we to create on uploading an existing file or create a new file?
New file. Do you have existing file?
Okay, no.
New file.
Thank you.
Mr. Dan, sorry. Where did you see hard? I'm trying to look for hard. Is it the plus sign?
Let me go back. Let me show you.
Okay, sir.
Go back. Can you see? Can you see add file? Look at my system.
Okay. My
Can
own
you see
is
this? So you have upload.
my own is is showing another thing.
I just screenshot based on the group. Let me see.
Okay.
the add file.
Screenshots. Let me pause. I'm done with this part. Let me pause first. So anybody that is